In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook account and get a blue tick near your profile name. So in order for you to get this done, I want you to get hold of your smartphone, be it an Android device or an Apple device. The procedure is the same. Number two, this is different as compared to the application and to the website. So when you apply for a blue tick on the application, the procedure is slightly different as compared to when you apply for a blue tick through the Facebook website. So I would be using an Android phone to show you how this is done. So assuming the fact that you got hold of your phone, the first thing to do is open the Facebook application. Once the application is open, I want you to click on the three lines or your profile dot out here to the top right. And once you do that, you're directed to this page. Click on help and support. Once you click on help and support, you get all the options here. I want you to click on help center. Once you click on help center, you would be directed to this page on which I want you to type in verify account with a badge. You get suggestions out here itself. Okay, so just type in verify account with blue badge and you are going to get all the search results or all the questions out here that you are going to get answers for. I want you to click on the first link, and once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page, and this page actually gives you all the answers related to the blue badge. So if you want, you could go through all this on this page. But the basic thing which you need to understand about getting a blue badge to your profile is that apart from the profile being really yours, you have to have at least 500 followers on Facebook, and you should have some kind of importance, okay, be it on YouTube or Instagram or something. You should have a following, you should have a fan base or something on those lines, okay, be it even like I would say 2,000 followers on YouTube or even 1,000 or 500 followers on Instagram. Doesn't matter. These two things are very, very important apart from you being a real person, apart from this profile being yours. So once you go through this page and you understand these two facts, the next thing is you scroll down and you click on fill in this form to verify your profile page. Once you do that, you are going to be directed to a form filling up page on which you have to fill up this form. Okay, so here the first thing is you need to understand what you are trying to verify, a page or a profile. So I would select on profile. So the next step is you have to confirm your authenticity. So you could provide a document that you have received from your government in your location, maybe a passport or your driver's license, whatever it is. Upload that out here. Once you do that, the next thing is to confirm your notability. So here you need to select any one of these, whatever you are, maybe a blogger or gamer or a brand or an organization or a musician or whatever it is. Select that accordingly. So I would select influencer. Your location may be in Nigeria or maybe South Africa, USA, India, whatever it is. So I would type in India. Okay, and select the option that is coming down there. These two options are optional. Okay, but if you want, you could also describe the people who follow your page or your profile. Okay, your audience basically, and you are also known as, or you are known through an organization or something, whatever. These two options are optional. Okay, the next thing is very important. This is actually going to help you to get your account verified faster. Okay, so if you have a YouTube following or if you have an Instagram following, for example, you could go ahead and paste the link for your profile out here. So that is going to help Facebook to actually see that yes, this person is actually important, this person does have a following, this person is famous in his niche or category. So it would help them to think about verifying your account or getting it done even faster. So scroll down next, click on send. Once you do that, within 24 to 48 working hours, your account is reviewed, and you would also be getting a notification out here from Facebook about the verification, whether or not you are approved. So I hope this information was useful. If you did get some value, give my video a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.